Confused about essere and stare? Don't worry. Here's the easiest way to understand them in under 1 minute. Use essere for identity. It tells who you are or what something is. For example, io sono americano. I am American. Sono studente. I am a student. Use essere for basic facts too, like la pizza è buona. The pizza is good. Or questo è un libro. This is a book. Think, identity, description, fact. Use stare for condition or feeling. It tells how someone is doing. For example, sto bene, I'm well. Sto male, I feel bad. Think, temporary condition. So here's the trick. Sono means who I am. Sto means how I feel. Sono americano. That's identity. Sto bene. That's condition. Same person, different meaning. Remember this. Essere is for identity and facts. Stare is for feelings and condition. Now say it with me. Sono Alex. Oggi sto bene. Perfect.